Christmas is one of the most joyful and beautiful celebrations of the year, but we need our fruitcake to make it more interesting. Here is the part 1 recipe of our fruitcake. To achieve a very moist and flavorful Christmas fruitcake, you want to soak your fruit for at least 24 hours. We will begin by chopping off 200 grams of dried apricots. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers for tuning in once again. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. You are highly welcome. Thank you all so much for always being there. Again, we will chop up 100 grams of dried plums. Next is 100 grams of dried dates. Another fruit we want to chop up is 100 grams of dried figs. I'll be introducing 100 grams of cranberries because they are small inside, so I will not be needing any chopping. Okay, so I also went in with 100 grams of raisin, 60 grams of candied ginger, again 100 grams of mixed cranberries. I will be going for half a tablespoon of fresh orange zest. Again, I will introduce 2 pressed fresh oranges. I'll go in with a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 125 ml of honey, and last but not the least, introduce 350 ml dark rum or any other gin of your choice. At the end of baking your cake, the alcohol will be gone and leaving behind a very flavorful and moist cake behind. If you also still do not want to have alcohol in your cake, go ahead and use any flavor, any nice powerful flavor juice of your choice, and also go for carameled sugar. I will leave a link of my video of how to caramel your sugar to get a very moist fruit cake. Okay. Now cover it up and give it a good shake. Remember, you will continuously to shake this jar every now and then to keep your fruits moist until you are ready to bake your Christmas cake. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, hit the notification bell. You will be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you all so much for doing that. It is looking amazing, and please leave your comment down below. What do you think about this? See you in my next one, and Merry Christmas in advance. Bye for now.